Alex, I need to talk to you.
What's wrong, Mia? You look upset.
I just gave my first big presentation at work.
That's great. How did it go?
Terrible! Everyone kept looking at each other weird when I was talking.
Oh no. What happened?
I kept saying we need to analyze the data, and people were confused.
Mia, how exactly did you pronounce data?
Data, like D-A-T-A, data.
Mia, most people say data or data, but you have to be careful with the stress.
Mortified. Wait, I've been saying it wrong this whole time?
Not completely wrong, but the pronunciation matters, especially in professional settings.
Dying inside. My boss definitely noticed. He kept repeating the data after me.
Hey, don't feel bad. This happens to everyone. Even native speakers mispronounce words.
Really? I'm not the only one?
Not even close. And you know what? This is perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about the most commonly mispronounced English words and how to say them correctly.
Relieved. Oh, thank goodness. I need this.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia, and apparently I've been mispronouncing words for years.
Today we're covering 10 English words that almost everyone mispronounces, and we'll teach you the correct way.
These mistakes can make you sound less confident, even if your English is actually very good.
Before we start, please like and share this with your friends who also want to learn English in an easy, fun, and smart way.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We upload every single day.
All right, Mia, let's make sure you never have another awkward presentation moment.
Please, I can't handle more embarrassment.
Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll sound clear and confident. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, we already mentioned number 1, data. This word has 2 acceptable pronunciations.
2, so I wasn't completely wrong.
Not completely. You can say data or data. Both are correct, but data is more common in professional settings.
So data is safer.
Generally, yes. The data shows. Listen, data, the first syllable stressed.
Data. Data. Got it.
Perfect. Number 2, and this is a big one, schedule.
Schedule. How else would you say it?
Well, Americans say SKED-jool, like schedule, but British people say SHED-yool, like she-jool.
Schedule. Schedule. They're so different.
Very different. So if you're in America, say schedule. If you're in Britain, say SHED-yool.
What if I'm speaking international English? Which one?
Either is fine. Just be consistent. Don't switch between them.
I've been saying schedule. Is that okay?
Perfectly fine. Just stick with it. My schedule is busy.
Got it. What's number 3?
Number 3, often.
Often? What's wrong with that?
How do you pronounce it?
Often with the T sound.
Many people do, but the T is actually silent. It should be often.
The T is silent. Often?
Yes, often, like often, no T sound.
But there's a T in the spelling.
I know, English spelling is confusing, but traditionally, the T is silent, often.
So I often go to the gym, not I often go to the gym.
Exactly. Although, honestly, many native speakers do say often nowadays, so both are becoming acceptable.
So which should I use?
Often is more traditional and correct, but often won't sound too wrong. I recommend often.
Often. I'll practice that. What's number 4?
Number 4, pronunciation.
Pronunciation. How do people say it wrong?
Many people say pro-NOWN-ciation, like pro-NOWN-ciation with noun in the middle.
I might say that.
Many people do, but it's wrong. It's pronunciation with none, not noun.
Pronunciation, not pronunciation.
Exactly. Think of pronounce. You pronounce a word, but the noun is pronunciation with none.
That's so confusing. The verb is pronounce, but the noun is pronunciation.
Welcome to English. But now you know. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. I've got it. Number 5.
Number 5, comfortable.
Comfortable. That's easy. KUMF-ter-bul.
That's the mistake. You're saying every syllable. KUMF-ter-bul.
That's wrong?
Native speakers usually say comfortable. We squish it together. comfortable.
Comfortable. That's so fast.
Yes, we don't say KUMF-ter-bul with clear syllables. We say comfortable, like one quick word.
Comfortable. Comfortable. That feels weird.
It does at first, but listen to native speakers. This chair is comfortable, not KUMF-ter-bul.
I'll practice. Comfortable. What's number 6?
Number 6, library.
Library. I definitely know this one. Library.
Ooh, that's the common mistake. It's not library, it's library.
Wait, there's an R in the middle. Library.
Yes, library. There's a B-R-A-R-Y. You have to pronounce that R. Library.
But I've been saying library my whole life.
So have millions of people, but technically it's library. I'm going to the library.
That's hard to say. Library. Can I slow it down?
Sure. Library. Library. Take your time at first.
Library. Library. Got it. What's number 7?
Number 7, February.
February, the month. February.
Close, but there's a hidden R. It's February, not February.
There's an R. February. My mouth doesn't want to say it.
I know, even native speakers struggle, but the correct way is February.
Can I just say the second month? Just kidding.
You could, but let's practice. February.
February. February. I'll work on it. What's number 8?
Number 8, clothes.
Clothes? Like shirts and pants? Clothes.
Ah, that's the mistake. You're saying clothes with 2 syllables and a Z at the end.
That's wrong.
It's actually clothes, 1 syllable, and it ends with a th-Z sound, not just Z.
Clothes. That's so quick.
Yes, clothes. It rhymes with oaths, not closes.
So not I need to wash my clothes, but I need to wash my clothes.
Perfect. Clothes. 1 syllable, th-Z at the end.
Clothes. Clothes. That feels so short.
It is. Native speakers say it very quickly. Clothes.
Got it. What's number 9?
Number 9, ask.
Ask? How can you say that wrong? It's just ask.
You'd be surprised. Many people say axe, like, let me ask you a question.
Axe? Like an axe you chop wood with?
Not quite the same sound, but similar. They drop the S and say axe instead of ask.
So, can I ask you something is wrong?
Technically, yes. The correct pronunciation is ask, A-S-K. Can I ask you something?
Ask, with the S, not axe.
Exactly. Although in some dialects, axe is common, but in standard English, it's ask.
I'll make sure to say ask. What's number 10?
Number 10, and this is a tricky one, specifically.
Specifically? How do people mess this up?
Many people say pacifically, like pacifically.
I might do that.
It's common, but it's wrong. It's specifically, with sp, not pa, at the beginning.
Specifically, not pacifically.
Exactly. Think of specific, specific. So specifically is specifically.
Why do people say pacifically?
Maybe they're thinking of the Pacific Ocean, but the word is specifically.
Specifically. Specifically. I've got it.
Perfect. Those are our 10 most commonly mispronounced words.
Wow, I was mispronouncing at least half of these.
Don't feel bad. Even native speakers mispronounce these. The important thing is to learn and improve.
How can I remember all of these?
Practice. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to how they say these words in movies, podcasts, conversations.
Should I correct people if they mispronounce these?
In professional settings, maybe not. It might embarrass them. But if it's a close friend who's learning, you can gently help.
So don't be the pronunciation police?
Exactly. Unless someone asks for help, just focus on your pronunciation.
That's good advice. What if I'm not sure about a pronunciation?
Look it up. There are great online dictionaries with audio. Merriam-Webster, Cambridge Dictionary, they all have pronunciation guides.
Oh, I can listen to the correct pronunciation.
Yes, and remember, accents are okay. You don't have to sound like a native speaker. Clear pronunciation is what matters.
So it's okay if I have an accent?
Absolutely. Your accent is part of who you are. The goal is to be understood, not to sound British or American.
That takes the pressure off.
Good. Language is about communication. As long as people understand you, you're successful.
So what about regional accents, like Australian or Irish or Scottish?
All valid, all beautiful. English is spoken around the world. There's no one correct accent.
I love that. English belongs to everyone.
Exactly. It's a global language. Your version is just as valid.
But these pronunciation tips still help, right?
Yes, they help you be clearer and more confident, especially in professional settings.
Okay, one final question. What if I mispronounce something in an important meeting?
Don't panic. If someone corrects you, just say thank you and use the correct pronunciation next time.
Just accept the correction gracefully?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes, native speakers too. Learning is a lifelong process.
That makes me feel so much better.
Good. That's what we're here for, to help you feel confident.
Thank you, Alex. I'm going to practice all of these.
You're welcome. And remember, you're doing great. The fact that you care about pronunciation shows you're a serious learner.
Okay, everyone, that's everything for today.
We hope this helps you pronounce these tricky words correctly.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English. We release new episodes every single day.
Tell us in the comments which word were you mispronouncing. Don't be shy, we all do it.
Yes, share which one surprised you. Was it library or February? Tell us.
We read every comment and we love learning what helps you.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.